Hello all you crafties and welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping out of the workshop and into the kitchen where we'll be making an old family recipe for Chex Mix. So do me a big favor and subscribe, like, turn on notifications so you can get updates on all of my new content. So let's get started. So here's a quick look at everything it's going to take to make this incredible snack. And I will put the recipe in the description below. I went ahead and measured out all the ingredients and put them in separate bowls and laid them out so you could see the process. I would like to point out that I doubled the recipe from what's in the description below. And that's why there's 2 bowls of some of the different cereals and things like that. So the very first thing we have to do is preheat the oven. It's not going to take long to put all this stuff together. We want to set it at 250. Oh, and don't forget to press start. The next step, I like to take the 2 sticks of butter and put them in the microwave and get them all nice and melted. Make sure to keep an eye on it though. We're just kind of melting it. We're not trying to cook it or burn it. Then carefully take it out and carry it over to your station where you can mix it in and make all your wet ingredients. So here I'm combining everything in the bowl that's going to go into the butter, and the butter will then go over all of the cereal. I then just give it a little stir and let it sit for a while so all the ingredients can incorporate together. Now it's time for all of the dry ingredients. What I like to do is take one bowl at a time and kind of put them into the pan. That way it kind of helps with the mixing process. Gives me a little less I have to do in the long run, and it ensures a better mix. Isn't that satisfying? Nothing beats a little slow motion. Now I'm going to speed it up a little bit so you guys don't get too bored with the process. At this point I'm just going to give it a little quick mix and get it all ready so I can put the butter in. I'm going to just warm the butter up one last time, just a little bit to make sure it's nice and runny and no thick parts. And there we go, look at that. Make sure you get your spoon and get all of the goodness out of there. Every little bit counts. You want to bake this at the 250 degrees for roughly 1 hour. And every 15 minutes you're going to take it out and give it a little bit of a stir to mix all the butter in and make sure everything gets that buttery goodness. When you get towards the 1 hour mark, you're going to want to check it and make sure everything's mixed pretty well and it got warm enough. And then you're ready for the fun part. You want to lay out several layers of paper towels and pour the mixture onto it and let it sit for a good 15 or 20 minutes till it cools down. Make sure you do like I do and get every little crumb out of there. I'm going to spread it out just a little bit so it can cool quicker and I can start to handle it better. Once it's cooled down for a little bit, you can get out any of your favorite gift boxes or gift bags that you found and you can just start filling them up. All sizes, doesn't matter, whatever you want to give out. I tell you, all of my neighbors, family, and co-workers absolutely love this time of year, and this Chex Mix is so addicting, it's hard to believe. Just can't get enough. That's all there is to it. I want to thank you again for watching and supporting my channel. Please remember, hit the subscribe and like buttons, and happy crafting.